Hi. Today we are going to discuss about of masters. In masters, we are going to discuss inventory masters today. So let's we start. Initially, before doing this, so we'll see one exercise for better practice inventory masters. I'll show that better exercise here. This is an exercise. Let us assume that we are the computer dealers. So we are dealing with the three brands like one HP, Dell, and IBM. Then we have three type of products like HP. Also we have PCs, HP we have laptops, HP we have servers. The same way, Dell we have PCs, Dell we have laptops, Dell we have servers. The same way, IBM we have IBM PCs, IBM we have IBM laptops, IBM we have IBM servers. So before we are doing to create inventory masters, you need to create a one flow chart for that. So better you understand, better you create one flow chart, then you start creating in Tally. That should be very easy to create and understand how to create and all. So here I'll explain. Here this box called HP, this is called a primary group. Dell, this also primary group. This is also primary group. These small boxes here under HP, three boxes are there. These called subgroups. Under Dell, there are three subgroups. Under IBM, there are three subgroups. So why we need to create like this primary group and subgroup means, so for the report purpose. So how we'll get a report? If we create like this chart, you will get a report like this. So how much of total HP computers or laptops or server, total HP products, how many quantity we have, we may know this with the help of this group. Will comes to HP PCs, total how many HP PCs we have, we may know about this group. Total HP laptops, how many laptops we have, we may know with the help of this subgroup. Total how many HP servers are there, we may know with the help of this subgroup. The same way. So every group will give you a reporting pattern. Under each, so these are small boxes, these all are called as subgroups. So these three subgroups under HP, these three subgroups under Dell, these three subgroups under IBM. So each this subgroup, under each subgroup containing three type of stock items. Let us assume that we have HP PCs three types: HP PC1, HP PC2, HP PC3. The same way HP laptops, a laptop type 1, type 2, type 3. Server also, server type 1, type 2, type 3. So if we create under these subgroups number of stock items, then we may know individual stock item report as well as total HP PC wise, laptop wise, server wise report, then total HP also report. Let we do this the same example in our Tally, so we better understand. Let's start with Tally. First of all, we need to select a company. So I'm selecting ABCD test company. So I'm selected. So here masters, in masters, inventory info. We have to select inventory info. So here it is showing stock group, stock item, units of measurement, then voucher type, copy allocation details, quit. Here major important for us, stock group, stock item, units of measurement. Okay. Here stock group. Already in the example we have discussed this. This is a primary group, primary group, primary group. These small boxes are all called as subgroups. Under each subgroup containing three type of a final products. So these big boxes and small boxes all are treated as a groups. Same this one, stock group. So let's start create stock group. I select stock group, create. First initially what we need to create, HP, Dell, IBM, HP is under a primary, because why primary means here we need a primary reporting is HP only. This group only a primary reporting. These three is sub, means they are sub depending on HP. So now HP will be primary. Should quantity of item be added? Say always yes, because the reporting total quantity will show you. Say yes. Then next, Dell primary. quantity yes. The next IBM primary, say yes. So we already created these three primary groups, HP, Dell and IBM. Now we are going to create the subgroups under this. Okay, let's see. Same area only. HP PCs under. Now this HP PC under HP. So we need to select under the group is HP from the list. Always put every group you must say yes because you will get a quantity total in the report. HP PCs, HP laptops under HP, HP servers under HP. These three subgroups were already created. HP part we have completed. Now we are going to Dell. Dell PCs under Dell. Already Dell group we are created as a primary. Dell. Yes. The next Dell laptops under Dell. The next Dell servers under Dell. So second part also completed. Now going to be IBM. IBM PCs under IBM. IBM laptops under IBM. IBM servers under IBM. So this grouping part we are completed. Grouping part we are completed. Now every subgroup, let us assume that we have a three type of stock items. Coming back, escape. So now second is stock item. Stock item is the actual product. So before creating a stock item, we need to create a unit to measure those stock items. So that is called units of measurement. Select units of measurement, create. We'll create units like numbers, number of decimal places. So number of decimal places for number is 0. So the same way we'll create a kgs formal name. Here formal number of decimal places for kg is 3 like this. Here very important point is in Tally the number of decimal places for a unit is very sensitive. If you created some number of decimals, let us assume mistakenly you are not given for kgs for a number of 3 items, you are given only 0. Then you have saved the data, post the entries and everything. Later, so for example, 1.5 kilo, if you measure now, computer treat as a 2 kilos. If you entered 1.4 kilo, so computer treat as 1 kilo. So you cannot get the accurate measurement. If you want to edit after posting entries, Tally will not allow to edit it. So it's very sensitive. So make sure that while creating itself units measurement, very clarity we have to do this way. MSK. Okay, we are completed stock groups. We are completed units of measurement. Now we are going to the last part, stock items. Now stock item. The stock item we are creating like HP, PC. I'll create some example thing, 1122 model. It's a one model, let us assume model. So then while creating here, it asking under this item, under which group. So here we are creating PCs, right? HP PC. So under PC we are creating items now. So HP PCs selected. Now it is asking units of measurement. So select number for the units of measurement. Here also very important, if you forget while creating here numbers, while measuring the quantity will not come. So once post the entries, again you want to edit this stock item, though tally will not allow. So very careful here. So unit part you must take care numbers, if any opening balance quantity. So for the reporting sake, we entered some dummy quantity. Let's see the reporting part. I'm just taking everything will be 10 and taking approximately value of PC will be 10,000 rupees a PC. The same way. Again, I'm creating one more item. HP 1133 is a one type of item. Same HP PCs. Numbers. Quantity 10 numbers. I'll take 11,000 rupees. HP 1144. HP PCs. Numbers. 10 numbers. 13,000 rupees. HP is completed. Now we'll go to Dell. Dell PC. Dell PC 2244 2244. This is a one model. Let us assume one model. So I select under group Dell pieces numbers. I'll take 10 numbers. Quantity 10,000 rupees. Same Dell PC double two double double two double four double five. Dell PCs 10 numbers 12,000. One more item, third number double two double six. This is a one model Dell PCs number quantity. I have taken 10 numbers 13,000. So HP PCs, Dell PCs completed. Now go to IBM PC. Double six double one. I'll select IBM PCs. Okay, numbers 10 numbers 10,000. Same way, I'll type double six double two IBM PCs 10 numbers 11,000. Here for the typing sake, if you want to recollect the previous typing text, you simply press Control R. It will come automatically like this. Control R. Select IBM PC numbers 10 numbers 12,000 rupees. So we have completed PC part. HP PCs, Dell PCs, IBM PCs. So now just see the report. Come back, escape, gateway of tally. Come back to gateway of tally. Just go to stock summary. You will see total Dell 30 numbers, HP 30 numbers, IBM 30 numbers. You will check detail Alt F1. You may get details. Dell PC is 30 number, HP PC is 30 number, IBM PC is 30 number. Again, you drill down, press enter, drill down. you may see that model wise details. You want detail here itself completely. You go to F12 configuration, F12 button. The last option will be there. Expand all level and detail format. Say yes. So you will get here simply Dell PCs under model wise reporting. So that's why I recommend you, I suggest you, you first create a one flow chart. So whatever your inventory masters creation, because so this will help you for the reporting. So what report we required, on the basis we have to create a flow chart, or depend on the flow chart we have to create in Tally. So if you do this way practice, then you will easily create, otherwise you will get a confusion. So master part is very important. If how we design a master, it depends, the report will come. Once a master, some problem will be there, no report also coming a problem. Now simply here we can see that company wise, brand wise and PC wise, again HP, IBM, so you will get a reporting very clear. So the same way we can work out the second part also. We'll go to the HP laptops. Again I'll go back to the inventory info. So I'll select stock item, create. Okay, here HP. For the laptop, I'll mention LT. Okay, LT 2233. HP 2233. Go to the HP laptops. Numbers. I'll consider 20 numbers. Each number will be 14,000 rupees. For the reporting purpose, I'm taking it. So I'm recollecting the text I already typed. So simply shortcut is Control R. 2233. 3344. Here under we have to select HP laptops. Numbers. Quantity, I'll take 20 numbers. Rate will be 15,000. Same, I'll recollect again. Double three, double four, double five. Under HP laptops, numbers, quantity 20 numbers. Rate I will take 19,000. So HP laptop part completed. We'll go to Dell laptops. Dell LT. Double one, double two. Under Dell laptops, numbers, 20 numbers, 16,000 I'll consider. Same way I'll recollect the type of text. Control R, double one, double three. Sorry, under Dell laptops, 20 numbers. Rate will be 18,000. Again, I recollect the previous text. Control R, double one, double five. Here will be Dell laptops, numbers, quantity, 20 numbers. Rate will be 19,000. Dell laptop completed. Then we'll go to the IBM laptops. IBM LT double five double one. Select Dell laptops. Numbers, quantity I will consider 15 numbers. Rate will be 18,000. Sorry. So I have done a mistake here. So I need to rectify. So I can come back. Select alter. So which one we have done a mistake? IBM laptop, right? IBM. Yeah, this one. What I've done a mistake is IBM LT 5511 is not a Dell laptop, it's a IBM laptop. So we can rectify like this. Again, come back, go to the creation mode. Okay. I recollect previous typed one. IBM laptops, numbers, quantity 15 numbers, 20,000. Again, I recollect IBM laptop 5533, IBM laptops, numbers, 15 numbers, 21,000. Yeah, we are completed even this part also. We are completed HP PCs, HP laptops, Dell PCs, Dell laptops, IBM PCs, IBM laptop. After seeing my video, you do a same practice and you try even HP server, Dell server, and IBM server also. Okay. For your practice purpose, I'm leaving this. Now check the report. Go back to Gateway of Tally. Select Stock Summary here. You press Alt F1 for detail. You will get like this. So Dell under Dell laptops, Dell PCs. So total number of how many laptops are there, how many PCs are there. HP laptops, how many is there? HP PCs, how many is there? IBM laptops, how many is there? How many PCs are there? You want all at a time reporting, or else drill down one by one also you will get. Like Dell here, simply press enter. You see that under Dell, Dell laptops 60 numbers, Dell PCs 30 numbers. Again, we want to know the laptop detail, press enter. We go to the that item wise detail here. Escape, PCs, enter, you will get the drill down. Same way, HP also. HP laptops, drill down report, PCs 3. Oh, HP laptops. Then go to the IBM. Under IBM, oh, there is a mistake here. We find mistake here. HP laptop. Here, here itself, if you want to correct this, simply put a cursor on it. Select Control Enter. Control Enter. And go here. It's related to HP. HP laptop. Rectify it. Save it. Automatically, the report updates. Look here. IBM 3. HP. HP laptops 3. HP PCs 3. IBM. IBM laptops 3. IBM PCs 3. The same way. So all at a time reporting you want to see, go to the F12 configuration, detailed one. The last option, expand all level and detail format, yes. So you will get a report like this. So same way, you try this the rest example like HP servers, Dell servers, IBM servers. The same way, whatever your stock item, first you create a one flow chart. What report I required? So what is a primary report means a primary group. What is a sub reporting means subgroup. So what is the last actual item means a stock item. So that's better. You practice and you have any queries, anything you just post me as a comment. If you really like video, then subscribe the channel and you share to your friends. Thank you very much.